Here we made it down to Mammoth Lake, the South Tufas. James is trying to drown me out with music.
That's nice.
I think we're heading down there where all those cars are. And then we're going to go for a little yomp about. Tufas. It's a little birdie there. It's really weird. The water from up the top, because that's where we've seen Mammoth Lake, looks blue, but down here it looks green. Yeah, nice little parking area. A couple of toilets, picnic benches, warnings of critters. I can see a snake, I'm not sure what else, fox, rabbit, a few other bits maybe. But we won't be going off piste too much, piste even. Yeah, so maybe go for a little walk. Bird of prey up there. Oh yeah, circling for something, probably squirrels or mice or little chipmunks, which apparently live here. There's a tufa. Oh, some geckos running past and run back again. Oh, cute. Yeah, we're not allowed to climb on them. They're fragile and they look a bit sharp and nasty. Big seagull up there. Looking for food, no doubt. No sausage and chips here. So yeah, it's cool. I've got too many layers on probably because we've come right down in elevation. And it's warmer than what I thought, but I can pack one away. So I'm just going to take a little go around here. Fragile rock. Please help us preserve it, yes. When calcium-rich springs flow up through the lake bottom, the calcium bonds to carbonates in the lake water. Together they form calcium carbonate, a type of limestone. The solid material builds on itself, gradually forming a tufa tower. When the lake level drops, the exposed tufa stops growing. Interesting. Couple of seagulls, mountains, and we go on a little tufa walk. Oh, Mike just touched one. Never put your hand where you can't see. Oh, they're smooth. Smoother than what I thought. I thought it'd be a lot sharper and jagged. So, nice little benches, paved walkway. That's our elevation. Or rather, the elevation in 1963. Interesting. A little boardwalk as well. Jimbo's obviously got his big lens out, trying to take pictures of birdies. I'm going to try and find a landscape composition, but it's difficult without a tripod because that broke. So we're going to have to do it handheld. See what we can do. Check it in a bit. Water looks so green. So green. Right, sun's that way. Probably need to come down here. It's a bit of foam. one's quite gnarly, all by itself. Little birdie's just sat out there, bobbing about. That's funny. I didn't realise there'd be such wildlife here. Trying and get out of the wind. Put the GoPro down. Try and find something to take a picture of. Okay, we've gone back down to sunset. This is the composition, which is pretty much that. And I'm just waiting for that sun to go round a little bit more and light it up like it's lighting this up. That's a pretty nice scene actually. I don't know, I'll swim around and shoot that now. I might do that quickly. So the GoPro's died on me. Shocker. Snow in my look. Just doing a video. Tufas. Okay, come to the end of the trail. There's a little bench here, so I thought I'd have a little seat. There's some geese down there, lots of birds flying around. It's a bit of a bird paradise for them. Apparently they flock here. And the sun is behind me, getting ready to set in an hour and a bit. It sets a little bit earlier because of the mountain, so there's some nice light on the Tufas. I think James has worked his way back to the car. Enjoy it for a little bit, and if we get any good images, as always, we'll show them now.